Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new to this channel, my name's Cassandra and I make videos focused on natural lifestyle and clean beauty. So if you're interested, hit the subscribe button and be sure to turn on the notification bell so you're updated with all my latest videos. You can also check me out on Instagram at rngdbeauty. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all of my chemical-free laundry tips and the products that I use. So when I first switched to natural laundry, I was purchasing laundry detergents from Whole Foods and health food stores. As I became more aware and started looking into the ingredients on these laundry detergents, I realized that they weren't as natural as I would have liked them to be, and they weren't as natural as they were advertising them to be. On top of that, they weren't working that well at cleaning my clothes, especially my towels and sheets and the heavily soiled items that I have, like my reusable paper towels. After some investigation and research online, I figured out that the best products for doing laundry are things that are commonly found in most households. So I started making my own laundry detergent. Everything was inexpensive, simple, and worked amazingly well. So today, I'm going to be sharing with you my safe and effective laundry routine. So my first natural laundry product is Borax. So you've probably seen this at just about any grocery store or hardware store. It's very easy to come by. So what exactly is Borax? Borax is a natural mineral, sodium tetraborate, which has been mined and used for thousands of years. It's safe to mix with detergents and has been proven to enhance their cleaning power. So what makes Borax so effective? Borax is great for whitening your whites. It also acts as a pH buffer. Borax's slightly alkaline pH is ideal for cleaning. Borax also softens hard water. Hard water prevents laundry detergent from working as well as it's supposed to. This keeps your clothes from coming out as clean as they should. Borax also helps remove soap residues from your clothing. Borax neutralizes odors, and lastly, it increases the stain removability of your laundry detergent. So my next clean laundry product is baking soda or washing soda. So I made this chart here to indicate the differences between the two of them. Baking soda is a pH buffer, and because the pH is so high in washing soda, it's a pH regulator, bringing the pH to a level that is very effective for cleaning. They're both deodorizing. Washing soda is a very effective stain remover, making it a great laundry booster. They're both effective at softening hard water, however, baking soda only softens the water half as much. This is what they both look like. Baking soda has a finer texture, and washing soda has a coarser texture. Moving on to my next clean laundry product, it is hydrogen peroxide. Now here I have a bottle of hydrogen peroxide bleach, but the same hydrogen peroxide found in your first aid cabinet can also be used as they are essentially the same. Hydrogen peroxide can be used in your laundry room to whiten whites, brighten colors, remove stains, eliminate odors, and clean and disinfect your washer. Hydrogen peroxide is an oxidizing agent that can be used as laundry bleach. Simply add 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide bleach to your washing machine before adding your clothes, or you can alternatively add it to your bleach dispenser in your washing machine. Hydrogen peroxide is also amazing for removing those ugly yellow sweat stains that you get on your white clothes under your arms. Moving on to another clean laundry favorite of mine, and that is soap nuts. Soap nuts are a cleansing fruit that have been used for centuries. It leaves your laundry clean, fresh, and soft, and you don't even need fabric softeners. They're also antifungal, antimicrobial, and antibacterial. So these are great for people who have sensitive skin or are with a skin condition such as eczema or psoriasis. Anyone with a condition that might be agitated further when their skin comes in contact with harmful chemical residues on clothes. They're also safe for washing children's and babies' clothes and also for washing diapers. Another amazing thing about them is that they're eco-friendly and they are totally biodegradable. Just throw them right into your compost bin. Moving on to another amazing star in the laundry room, and that is Salsas by Dr. Bronner's. You can also use regular cast iron soap. It's largely a matter of personal preference, but Salsas is more effective on grease and tough stains compared to cast iron soap. I like to use Salsas instead of soap nuts as the base of my laundry detergent when I'm washing more heavily soiled items or whites. So my last clean laundry product is regular white vinegar. So vinegar is great for keeping dark clothing dark. Adding 1/2 cup of distilled white vinegar into the final rinse cycle will remove soap and detergent residues that make black clothes look dull. Vinegar is also great at fighting underarm stains. It's also great at stopping lint and pet hair from sticking to your clothes. Vinegar naturally softens fabric, brightens and whitens clothes, and is great for banishing mildew odors. So another amazing natural laundry product that can be used to replace dryer sheets are wool dryer balls. They have no chemicals, unlike dryer sheets, which are full of chemicals and perfumes. They also decrease your drying time. Unlike dryer sheets, wool balls flick moisture away from your clothes and linens. Plus, the action of balls dancing around your dryer forces the laundry items apart and increases the hot air circulation. Another amazing thing about them compared to dryer sheets is that they won't affect the absorbency of your linens. Chemicals from dryer sheets and fabric softeners build up in your clothing and affect the ability for your towels to soak up water. And if your towels can't soak up water, what are they really good for? So here I have a list of all the chemical-free laundry recipes that I use for each different type of load. I have one for white clothes, one for black and colored clothes, and one for towels and sheets. So I use these recipes as guidelines, but I always consult the labels to see what temperature each garment should be washed in, and also if they can handle non-chlorine bleach like hydrogen peroxide. Another really important thing I want to add is that you should never under any circumstances add vinegar at the beginning of your wash load, only in the final rinse, because if you add it at the beginning, it'll neutralize the pH that you've been able to make more alkaline with these products and make the cleaning power much less effective. So here's a visual of what I use for my sheets, towels, and paper towels. And here's a visual of what I use for my colored and black clothes. And a visual of what I use for my white clothes, which is essentially the same as what I use for my towels and sheets. So my laundry room is incredibly hard to film in, so I thought I'd give you an example here at my kitchen sink of how I clean my paper towels. I'm using my towels and sheets recipe here. So I fill the bucket enough to submerge the paper towels. You don't have to be too specific here. I'm adding about a cup of hydrogen peroxide. I usually just eye it out because I'm pretty familiar with using this. So you can see the bubbles coming up on the surface. That means it's working. So after letting that soak for about 30 minutes, I'm adding a 1/4 cup of borax and a 1/4 cup of washing soda or baking soda. Now I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of salsas. Again, I'm just eyeing it out, but feel free to measure it. So now I'm putting that mixture with the paper towels into the washing machine with hot water. So after putting these in the dryer or letting them air dry, I just roll them back onto my paper towel roll. Not every sheet always comes out perfect, but comparing to how they started, they look amazing. So here's an example of my spot treatment method. First, I dampen the area where the stain is. Then I apply Salsas directly to the stain and lather it up. And then I let it sit for at least an hour. Depending on the severity of the stain, I might let it sit for a couple hours. And this is the shirt after it came out of the wash. So that wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're able to add some of these tips and products to your laundry routine. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any laundry tips that you think I should try, leave it in the comments down below and I'll be sure to check them out. And I hope you have an amazing rest of your day.